Pretty little girl, she no need. Pretty little girl, she no need no.
Alexa, play 850.
Pretty little girl, she no need no. Pretty little girl, she no.
Hey guys, happy Valentine's Day. If you are celebrating Valentine's Day, you know, share all the love. So I'm here to share some love with you guys. And I didn't introduce myself. My name is Safine, and this is Safine TV. So in this video, I did go ahead and do this very much Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial. Now it is more for a going out vibe, so if you do end up having to actually have plans today, then great. If not, then you can bag this for a different time. But I really do enjoy the way this makeup turned out, and I hope you guys like it too. If you do like it, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that bell so you know if I make my post. So I'm actually running late, so I'm going to dash out, but I hope you do like my video and you do subscribe. Bye, and again, happy Valentine's Day. Mwah.
Hey guys, so we're just gonna hop right into it. So I just took my concealer by Makeup Revolution in C13 to go ahead and give myself some type of base so that these colors do show off the way I want them to show off. I did do a soft matte look on my eyelid as well as a red lipstick, as you guys saw in the intro. So here I'm just showing you how to go ahead and proceed with your eyeshadow. So I'm just taking my Wet n Wild translucent powder to actually add that on top, because I feel like my eyeshadows hit more when I do that. I'm taking this ColourPop NYX palette, and the first shade that I am taking would be Ornarelle. So I'm just using that as my transition shade. I'm just buffing that into the crease. As a transition shade, you slowly start to see that the brown is picking up. It is a light brown. You don't have to use this specific palette. You can use a different palette if need be. But yes, that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that into my crease with a fluffy blending brush. It is a Morphe brush. I'm not 100% sure what exact number it is, but it's a Morphe brush. Now I'm taking a different Morphe brush, a little bit more dense, and I'm using the shade, I actually can't see the shade on the palette, but I believe the shade is called Moody. And I am still putting that in my crease. The only difference between this and the one I did before, I'm just making sure that it's directly into the crease, and I'm slowly starting to diffuse it outward, like giving myself like a fake wing. Like I'm just using it and creating a wing to make it sure that it's all blended out. And using the first shade that I used before, I'm doing that more precise into the crease. So that's what you're seeing right here, guys. Then after that, I'm trying to blend everything together because, again, I do want it to be more seamless. And then what I do is I use that shade, which is called Bare to Wear, which is like a nude. It's a white type of color, and I'm using that to put that on top of it. I'm not really doing it in a precise way. I'm just putting it on top. I'm actually patting it in instead of diffusing it out. Now taking Moody, I will go ahead and fix out the outer corners of my air quotes wing. Again, I'm just creating a fake wing with these eyeshadows, and by doing that, all you guys are having to do is make sure you're brushing it outward, so it has to extend slightly past your brows. It's the best way to explain that for you guys. So that's exactly what I'm doing, just making sure everything's super blended, because I was trying to make sure that there was no creasing and make sure that my lids look correctly. So here I'm just going to go ahead and tightline my liner with the NYX Epic Liner in black. So after this, I pretty much am done with the eye tutorial. I just wanted to do a voiceover over the eyes, just so you guys can just kind of get a better understanding of what I was doing. But after this, you will not hear me do a voiceover anymore. I think I come back later when it comes to my lips. But in regards to my face and all of that, I did not do a voiceover because it's the same method that I used in my first video, in my everyday makeup tutorial. So yes, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to go ahead and speed this part up. You guys enjoy it. And if you have any questions, I will leave everything in the description box below. You can ask me in the comment box below, as well as all the products that are going to be named will be on screen. So that way you guys can know exactly what products I use. Alright, you guys stay blessed. Mwah.
I look real good today. 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 Jumping out the Bentley, rolling in a gas and new Balenci's. Walking with a pocket full of Benjis. I'm a 10-piece. I look real good today. 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 I look real good.
Gaze if you feel me, throw your hands. This is 7 o'clock. Yeah. I want you now. Yeah.
you, got your eyes, got you trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you
Alright guys, so I'm back. I first started off with my Juvia's lip liner and cola to just help me with the red lip that I'm going to be using. Now I'm using my NYX liner in Brick House to go ahead and line it so that there is kind of a base for the red to go ahead and add it on to it, just because of I'm a dark skin, so I want to make sure that the red looks good. And then I went ahead and used my YSL lipstick in the shade 13 to go ahead and use that for my base. Again, I wanted a bright red, but I wanted also to be muted, so that is why I started off with the YSL, and then I added my Fenty lipstick in Uncensored. It's still pretty bright, but it's less bright than the 13 by YSL. I'm using the Brick House liner by NYX to go ahead and help put that shade, because I really didn't want to have to put makeup around my lips. When I did that, it helped me so it wasn't really not bright. You couldn't really see the issues in the corner, because literally every time you put lipstick on after you do your face, you have to use like a concealer, and I really didn't want to have to do that, so that's why I use cola.
Mm-hmm.